Howdy folks, Luke Simons with you. Back to the Basics 101. You know, I have had a lot of air fresheners over the years, and nothing has competed to what I'm going to show you right now. Check this out. You're not going to even believe it. When you see what I'm talking about, you're going to be like, are you serious? That is so simple. And it really, really works. I have tried everything from Downy sheets into an old sock or nylons. Hey, that works good for mice, by the way. Old nylon, Downy in there. Put some Downy sheets and just get that nylon all stuffed up about that big. Tie the end, double wrap it, put it under a seat. Works good for mice. I will give them that. But it really not an odor eater, okay? Check this out. You're not going to even believe it. And it's so simple, and you have it in your house already. Grandma used it. Right there, folks. Dove soap. Just so you know, just complete disclaimer. The Dove soap is amazing, but it does not taste at all like the Dove chocolate, okay? Same brand. Does not, totally do not eat this. Okay, so I punched in 2 holes. You could put another hole in there, I suppose, too. I just used a pocket knife on that, okay? And I punched in right there. And the reason I came up with this is, and I don't know, I might have heard it somewhere too, but where I keep the soap and where Grandma always kept her soap was in her bathroom closet. And it always smelled wonderful. It always smelled great. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to just see what happens, because it was in the box closed that way. I put this in my car. Okay, it has not melted. It has been a very, very hot summer. It's been in here since probably early summer, maybe late spring. And it is probably smelling more now than it was even then. The heat, I just punched 3 holes, or 4 holes, excuse me, on the top here. Top here. I didn't punch any on the sides because it, you know, that's where it opens. 2 on the sides. You could punch another one easily. And I just put it in my console. And it smells wonderful. You could use any type of soap you like. I just started using Dove because it reminded me a little bit of my grandmother. I loved my grandmother very much. I just lost her not too long ago. And it works good. This one here is the shea butter. It is absolutely awesome. You could use this with any type of soap you wanted to. It's wonderful. First I was a little leery. I kept it on my seat. I didn't know if it was going to melt. It has not melted. It's been over 100-degree days. This is a jet black car. A friend of mine, we just drove, where did we go? We just went to Omaha, Nebraska. He dropped off a trailer. We were meeting somebody halfway to Arkansas. He sold his living quarters stock trailer. And I said, open that door up and smell it. He's like, why does it stink? I'm like, no, absolutely, just try it. He's like, that smells wonderful. Like right now, I'm just getting the influence. Open your closet door in your bathroom. If you have soap in there, that's what you're going to smell. And he's like, what is that? That smells great. I said, that, my friend, is shea butter Dove. Not to be confused with the chocolate, by the way. So anyways, that being said, yeah, try it. See what you think. If you have a tractor, an old grain truck, or something like that, this is my main car. This is my nice car. This is what I use. I parked this car 2 days ago-ish. Yes, over 2 days ago. It would have been Friday night. I parked this car. We went down quick trip. That was quite a trip. I'm in the capital city of North Dakota right now. And left this. He opened that door. Loved it. Cheap. You have this. You don't need to spend a bunch of money on air fresheners all the time. It works great. It just absolutely works great. So if you're spending money on this stuff, stop. Just grab a bar of soap, cut some holes in it. They're cheap. They last forever. And you will put it in every one of your vehicles, which I have a lot of. So, yeah. Oh, also, quick shout out. If you are going through Fargo, North Dakota, which is the largest city in North Dakota, I just came from there. My cousin Andrew Sletton, has a church called the Antioch Church. It is a phenomenal, spirit-filled church. If you need the Spirit of God living in your life, if you need holiness in your life, I would suggest that you go there. There's another one there too. His name is Pastor Miller. He's a UPCI preacher. Good preacher. Or excuse me, I think he's an independent preacher. I don't know what he is, Pastor Miller now. I think he's independent. My cousin Andy is a UPCI. So anyways, folks, if you get to Fargo, you got to try that out, though. You'll love it. Here you are. That's your answer. Boom. Boom chakalaka. Love you all. May the Lord guide and keep you. Till next time, this is Luke Simons, and happy trails.